Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you one of the recipes that I make at home and it's very good. It's called beef soup recipe. And I cook it with lemongrass, ginger, lots of onions and garlic. And boy, I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna love it. So stay tuned. So these are the ingredients we're gonna need in our recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and mash this lemongrass and ginger, and also cut this onion in 4 pieces. And next is smashing my garlic. Now we have all these ingredients ready as of this moment, and we need a deep pot and put all these ingredients together inside a deep pot. Next is we're gonna wash this fresh beef crosscut shank in a cold water, and put it in a pot too over those spices, and we will add water in here. Make sure the water that you're gonna add is cold water, not warm. Then add the salt, and the amount of salt that you're gonna use is always according to your liking. Now add the black pepper, the unsalted beef broth. Now we're gonna start cooking it, and we're gonna bring this into a boil. After it boils, you can see the impurities on top. You don't need that, so you have to remove it. Go ahead and take time to remove it until the soup looks clear. Next, I added Mamacita Sinigang sa Sampalok. This is available in Asian store. This is optional. You don't have to add this in there, but I'd like to have mines with this type of additional seasoning because it makes the food more tasty. This is made out of tamarind. It's a type of fruit that grow in Mexico and other part of Asia. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it on my soup. Yum! This would make the soup even more tasty. Then we're gonna add is the stem of the green onions and the potatoes, and let it simmer for a bit. And after that, next thing you're gonna add are the vegetables. These are the stem of the bok choy and the bell pepper. So after this, we're gonna simmer it again. Just keep simmering it for another 5 to 10 minutes, and voila, it's almost done. Look at our soup. Isn't it looking tasty? Yummy. Look at that. Oh guys, I wish you are here and get a taste of this soup. It is so delicious, and for me it's very healthy because it's got a lot of healthy vegetable on it, and with the lemongrass in there. Oh guys, if you can only smell the aroma of it, it smells so good. It's really good. I can smell the aroma of the lemongrass and the ginger, and it just right past by your nose. You can really, even if you can't taste it yet, you can tell it's so yummy just by smelling it. That's how tasty it is. Yummy. I'm hungry now. I'm getting ready to eat in a little bit. So can you see the meat? It falls off the bone. The bone, it just fall off the meat. You see, Yummy! Look at the soup. It's less fatty actually. I don't have that much fat. I can see a little like sprinkle of fat over my soup. I always have my soup with rice. It tastes good with rice too. Or if you don't prefer rice, potato is good. I added potatoes in here because I know my husband likes potato, so I add a lot of potatoes in this soup. But I prefer to eat my soup with rice. I like it better that way. And getting ready to prepare first for my honey because I know he's hungry now and I want him to taste the first serving. I want to give the first serving to him and see how he's gonna, what he's going to say on my soup.
Here's your soup, honey.
Oh,
Hope you
thank
like
you,
it.